Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Kingo. In today's video, I will show you the innovative and game-changing product, the Digital Microscope with Endoscope. So, stay with us for all the essential details and insights you need. Let's get started. The Maxgeek AD409 Pro Digital Microscope with Endoscope is a versatile tool designed for professionals who need precision and comprehensive observation. Its combination of cutting-edge technology and practical features makes it ideal for industries such as electronics repair, inspection, and microscopy enthusiasts. Here's an in-depth look at its key features, pros, and cons. Key features. All-around 360 view with endoscope. The built-in endoscope allows for a 360 view without dead angles, ideal for observing the sides of components, inside pipes, and other areas that require thorough inspection. Soldering microscope with Pro metal stand, equipped with an upgraded, adjustable stand that can rotate 360 horizontally. It also offers a larger metal base plate and a higher working distance, making it suitable for larger circuit boards. 10.1-inch display. A large, integrated 10.1-inch display provides a clear and crisp visual experience. Most users won't need an additional external display, as this screen meets the demands for detailed work. High-resolution imaging. Featuring a 4MP sensor and an industrial optical lens, this microscope offers up to 270x magnification and video recording capabilities at 1080p resolution with 60 frames per second, ensuring minimal latency and smooth video performance. 3D visual effect. The microscope provides a fine depth of field and realistic 3D visual effects, improving accuracy for tasks requiring depth perception. Upgraded, foldable stand. The stand's foldable design offers more working space and flexibility, especially when handling larger objects. Adjustable monitor. The monitor can be adjusted to different angles to suit ergonomic needs, preventing eye and neck strain during extended usage. Expansion functions. Additional features like time-lapse recording, grid lines, UV filters, imaging, video, IR remote, and screen freeze functionality cater to various professional demands. Pros. 360 observation. The all-around view with the endoscope allows for complete inspection without blind spots, which is especially useful for professionals working with complex components. Large 10.1-inch display. The built-in screen offers excellent clarity, reducing the need for external displays and enhancing ease of use. High-quality imaging. With up to 270x magnification and 1080p video at 60 fps, the microscope captures intricate details while maintaining minimal latency. Flexible and ergonomic design. The adjustable stand and monitor make it easy to work comfortably for long periods. 3D visual effects. The fine depth of field enhances precision by creating a 3D-like viewing experience, which is helpful for soldering and detailed repair work. Multifunctional. Additional features like time-lapse, video recording, and grid lines make it versatile for various industries, from electronics repair to research. Cons. Bulky size. The larger metal stand and screen, while providing stability and workspace, make the unit less portable than more compact microscopes. Limited to professional use. Given its feature set and price, it may be overkill for casual users or hobbyists looking for a basic microscope. Final thoughts. The Maxgeek AD409 Pro Digital Microscope with Endoscope is a powerhouse for professionals requiring precision, flexibility, and top-tier imaging. It excels in industries like electronics, inspection, and research, offering a comprehensive toolset. While it might not be suited for hobbyists due to its size and advanced features, it's a top choice for those in need of high-quality visuals and ergonomic design during extended work hours.